Yeah, Chris.
Yeah, most of my families and friends them you sit on the channel, you know. Cause them rate the Rasta man, you know. But I'm telling you, you know, that say Saint Catherine North. I tell you Saint Catherine mess around, you know. Them say the Northern Police Division has launched a major surge of operation. Rastafari, you know what that mean? Saint Catherine, I deal with the people them life like a latrin. Just a flush the people them life away. I mean, I like them thing that you hear me I say. I do not appreciate the lack of appreciation love for the life of our brother and sister. You guarantee? Saint Catherine and deal with the people them proper. Them say the St. Catherine North Police have launched a major operation. Yeah, a major surge into the St. John's Road area. So if you're in a Spanish town, in a St. John's area, you need to watch yourself. There has been a recent criminal influx, including the shooting death of mother and her son Monday. The deceased are 50-year-old businesswoman Georgia Coleman of St. John's Road and her 21-year-old Jerome Walters, a bus conductor, Railway Lane, both of Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Reports from the police are that about 7:45 Coleman and Walters were sitting at the business establishment in St. John's, the road area, where they were pounced upon by two men on motorcycle. The men opened fire, then hitting Walters multiple times. Coleman reported ran, but he was reportedly pursued by the attacker and shot. The gunman then escaped from the area. Coleman and her son were taken to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. A post on Twitter on Tuesday afternoon, this JCF said a surge operation in St. John's Road will continue into the week. The police are asking citizens of this community to cooperate during the execution of these wide-range operational activities. These operations are being done to keep you safe, the police urge. Another blatant disrespect and disregard for life. And that's what we know. That's what we do. You see, once it's wicked and bad, upon that we attack. You see, once it's dark and evil, and that we are promote. Listen to our music them. And look what we gravitate to. You understand? It's full time now. The people them decide that they deserve better. Because no police, no soldier, no drone, no camera, no plane, no helicopter now gonna make you safe. No government, no politician. It's the willingness of the community to form an alliance to make sure that the future is better. And as long as we have that mindset of, rate informer, or not even that, because we don't rate informer. Because depending on what you call informing and what you're informing on, because all information you get is information. It just depends on who is giving it. Is it true? Is it right? Is it wrong? Is it righteous? Is it in your favor? Is it something where you want to hear? So a lot of people seems like them have a plan, especially when them call themselves a black man or a black woman. A plan to have some kind of their day of getting away with a scam or a lick or a crime or whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to tell you what's on my mind, you know, people. We deserve better. We really deserve better. My mother, my sister, my father, enough people deserve better. You're a mother, you're a sister, you're a father. It's better to have a, you know, positive thinking for the future. And for how me see me people, them are gone. Wow. Me give thanks when me wake up and see the light every man. Cause a long time me born. And it's going for the worst, people. We're getting more intelligent and more depraved. It's like we're like intelligent scammers, intelligent killers. It's just like our character is not improving. Just our intellectual ability. So if you was a garden tool or a canine, you know me I say, it's just like you're a smarter one now. We have not morphed or matriculated up the ladder of morality as yet. So we just continue to do the same thing. The only time them love you is when you're dead. The only time they love you. Me I tell you, say, big up my generals, man. Yo, big up my generals. Me at the ball field Sunday. And general say, yo, it's weird how our people are. Yeah. Cause when you do something good and say, you know, me just rare and just trying to pass it on so people, you know, to make people feel like, you know, yeah, the rest do something good, so I should do something good. Yeah. Like him said, if you see a person around the corner, a bum or something, or someone who is down on their luck, not even a bum, down on their luck, you know, woman just throw them out, you know, sad story, no money, barefoot, literally. And you take him over the corner store, dollar store, buy him a dollar slippers or something, and, you know, take him over there so and buy him a little juice and a little soda or a beer, and or give him a little spliffy, you medicate him, you know, and you tell somebody you do something good like that, they tell you, do not talk about the good way you do for people. But he says, on the other hand, if you there around the corner and quench someone, yeah, you know, assault someone, do something negative, beat up someone, stab someone, do something bad to someone, and you come and you tell them, you know, some just done a boy around there, so they must say, and I looking at you like, yeah, me rate you, know, and that you do, where I say, we could go around there. You don't know video. So, it's weird in life, people. I don't know if we just dark, illiterate, docile, on purpose, negative, wicked, or what, but everywhere I go in the world, tell them little boys and girls, with the melanated people, them, especially the man them there, the woman them is getting a little bit rambunctious now because they realize that, hey, they're not afraid of jail no more or nothing, and they realize that the men are like wimpy, so they have to play. You see, women really act certain way depending on how the man in society accept that action, and black men are puny babies. So, you know, women don't respect us. You know, African Americans and island people over in the West allow women to run all over them because of the woman them have the booty, and the woman them have the juice, and the woman them have the femininity, and the woman them discipline teach and give you religion and all them thing there. So, and them beat and teach. So we allow them to beat and teach so we can sneak and creep. You tea. But that mess up society, people, because you get a whole bunch of unruly people with no discipline, no logics, and no loyalty or honor. So guess what? Hosanna, Hosanna. Hi! See it here? Them say cops flood St. Catherine. Yeah, because the man them a deal with the place like a latrine. Them kill off our mother and one son. Jah know. Say it go, you know. Say it go. Jah know. Well, I know man, I'll tell you, say, yo,